Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another brand new high potential airdrop, which is called Dow Protocol. So they are an e-commerce financing RWA platform on BNB Chain. They have a huge 207k followers at the time of making this video. And the best part is they have already raised $10.5 million in funding from top investors such as MH Ventures, Mappleblock Capital, Animoca Brands, and more. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for all the latest videos. And most importantly, you must join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto news and airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To participate in the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this site link. So after landing here, first you need to connect your wallet. So click here on Connect Wallet. Then you can choose any of these following wallets. So I will select MetaMask here. Then on the MetaMask pop-up, it may show a malicious site warning, but don't worry, I have already checked it and researched about it. You can connect your wallet without any problem. So click on Connect anyway. Then again click on Connect. Then you need to sign the MetaMask sign-in request. Then check here. Then click on Got it. Again check here, then click on confirm and then confirm the request and your account will be created. Then scroll down to the bottom and here you will find some tasks which you need to complete. So first you need to connect your X account. For that you will earn 50 XP. So click on connect. Then authorize. And it's done. Next, you need to share a post about them on Twitter. So click on post now. So here you need to submit your post. I already shared a post on Twitter. So what you need to do is just copy the URL of your post. Then paste that URL link here. Then click on submit for review. If you face this error message like me, then you can try again later. So after approving your first post, then you will be able to post again. So just paste the copied URL here, then submit and you will earn XP again. Then once you are approved, then you can invite friends. Then you need to connect your Telegram. So click on connect and done. Finally, you need to connect your Discord. So click on connect. Then authorize. And done. After completing the task, here you will see your total XP. And here you see the referral section. You will find your code. So that's my code. You can use it. Also, you will find the link which you can share with your friends to boost your XP. So how you can use the code? So here you can enter the code and link. Then you can also bind your Sui wallet. So click on bind. Then choose any of these Sui supported wallets. For example, I'll select Phantom wallet. Then click on connect and then confirm the request and your wallet will be connected. So that's all for this video. Please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.